So people, where are you guys at? You guys are in the movie. Keep going. Walk in. This is what we call Union Station. You ever gone to Union Station? To the left, this is where they make all the bank robbery movies. Where they make all the movies look. You know, baby. This is where they make all the Al Capone movies, all the robberies. Mm-hmm.
Pay tickets.
Uh-huh.
Because you could pay money or cash or your credit card to get a ticket.
Mm-hmm.
Or you could download the train app, which is your favorite app.
Mm-hmm.
Or Metro.
When we come back, we gotta make it. There. It's a lot of walk. I'll teach you, I'll hold you.
This is the Metro that we're going to.
Mm-hmm.
I don't go there no more because they see that porn video. Let's go to the Metro.
Yes, we're going. Here, tap your. Each one has to have one?
Okay, so which one is that? Which one you get here? You?
You, here.
Here. Here's Sammy.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Tap mine, yours. Tap them. Okay. On top, uh-huh. On top, baby. Ahí está. Ahí está. Mine's ready, yours is ready. Uh-huh. Here. Here, baby, give me one.
Tap it right there, right there. Tap it right there. It's green? Come on, Sammy. Come on. Come on, Sammy. Tap it. On the bottom, right there. Scan it right there. On the bottom of it. Scan it on the bottom. Yeah? Who you ticket?
Oiga, ¿cómo? ¿No sabes eso? Oh. A ver.
Put it on top, Papa. Put it on top of your this one. Right there. How do you see right here?
Oh.
Scan the bottom, Papa. Scan the bottom.
Go in. Try to see open.
Scan. There.
Go in.
Go in.
Down here. Come on, right here. Right here, look. You guys scan it with the X.
Right there. Right here, Papa. Scan it right there.
Now he's going further.
Check. Look at what's in here. Go here.
Yeah, let's go. We got ours. So. Okay, don't lose the tickets, all right? Keep going.
Keep going. Give me your ticket.
Here, baby. Hold on. Look, come here. I'll hold you. Trust me. Come here. Trust me. Look. You guys gotta start trusting. We're looking for the red line. Excuse me, where's the red line? Is that one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It's gonna be this one. Come on. Look, Metro's coming in, look. This one.
Yeah, I'm not dating. I'm a fake one.
You got to, it's gonna leave us in the hamburgers. Red Rock. Digo, pues si quieres llevarlos ahí. You like hamburgers? Or you could get hot dogs or hamburgers at Red Rock. Whatever you want, you know.
It says pedestrian guided service.
So this station is Union Station. This stop.
Yeah, like what's the next station after Union Station?
Right here, look.
The next station is going to be.
Have an interview time.
Yeah,
So where are you going?
we're going to Hollywood Vine, and then after that, we're going to Universal Studios.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Look, sit right there, look. Go sit right there where you can look at the window. You look outside. Here, come here. Come here. Look. Where you guys go? Where you guys go? Yeah, where you guys go? Sit on that window. Sit on this window. Look, sit on this window. Yeah.
Welcome aboard.
Look at the window. Outside.
This train's final destination is North Hollywood Station.
Look at
Please be prepared to present your own validated app card for inspection by security or law enforcement. Violations are subject to a citation or removal from the system. The next stop is Civic Center
Which
Grand
is the
Park
next stop?
Station.
You guys gotta trust me a little bit. Look outside. Look out the window. We're leaving the station. Yes. Look outside. We're gonna hit about 60. This is the first stop. We're gonna take off like about 40 miles an hour right now, or probably more. Ready? Are you guys ready?
So Matthew and Alicia, I'm on the train. It's a metro. We're going to CTR Grand Park.
Are you guys ready? There it is. It's gonna take off, right? Whee! Yes. If you want, we could walk all the way to the front when we leave, but you can see how they drive. How's your first expression? Are you scared? Why you not scared? Are we going fast or we going slow?
Fast, because
How do you know?
I feel this.
Feel the speed? Have you ever been in a metro? How do you like it? I told you, don't be scared. Oh, it's good on you? So, are you a metro man? So, how many exits more? 2. Are you sure? Are you ready to get impressed? Are you scared now? So what you learned today? You're a tough man, huh? It's not bad. Right? You guys did it. Yeah. Right here on top, this is a little Emmy Awards, and this is where we park our car park, remember? This is where your mom was like, I love you. I love you. To the hamburger stand, not to me, all right? How you guys enjoying it? How you enjoying this, sir?
You enjoying
So,
yourself? Yeah.
is it your experience? They're bad today. So yeah, today they're bad. Let's go. It's broken. I can't accept it, guys. Where's your phone? Just an elevator. I'm gonna take you guys when you guys are ready to 73 floors up in the sky. Oh, I took your mom. When you guys are ready, are you guys ready to go outside?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you insured by survival?
Yes. You're sure.
So this is Hollywood, everybody. Yes. Oh, it was the next exit, baby. It was the next exit. It was the next exit. We gotta go down. It was the next exit, baby.
Is this Hollywood?
Yeah.
Connecticut River Valley.
The next exit. Let's go back down. 2 minutes. Okay, sir. Are you gonna get close to the what are they called? What are they called? Like I said, the train. Are you gonna talk to him? Are you gonna tell him, sir, do your job right? Or are you gonna teach him how to do it? 1 minute. Come on, everybody, look. Look. Feel the air. When you feel the air, feel the air.
It smells like apples.
Like apples?
Yeah, it smells like
Not yet, until you feel the wind. If you do not feel the wind, there is no metro coming.
1 minute and 13 seconds.
Are you sure? How do you know?
Because I'm ready to tell the captain.
Okay, I feel the breeze already. Look, it's starting, come. Ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Look, I'm gonna ask you to blow my hair back, watch. Whoosh.
Hey, I see the line over there.
I know, there it is, look. There's coming, look. Look, over here, look. Get him over here, Rebecca. Look, look, look. Look, it's coming.
There it is.
There.
There's a lot.
How do you know it's coming?
Because there's something in the tunnel. Oh, it's coming. Oh, the other.
There it is. It is here. Okay, go a little more over here, but we could. One more step. Right here, look. Right here where I'm at. We can still see it.
Alright, there it is.
Who's gonna get on that one?
I am.
I bet you I can make it stop right here. Are you guys gonna see the do?
Yes, sir. Oh, there it is. Whoa.
Come on, let's go see. That's the cat. It's a girl, eh?
The window over here is going to be good.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
So that's where you can't see her because they don't want you to.
What's the code?
Please be prepared to reset your...
It's my first time too, right? Yeah. But I seen the video, the YouTube. Just because no creas que. The next one. Every station is different. Okay. Remember, 1, okay? 1.
Yeah, see? This is awesome, guys.
Sir, are you a professional?
Yes, I'm a pro.
I think you're the best one.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe and like the video.
Uh-huh. So remember, we're gonna go 1, okay? One. There it is. You are an expert. That way. Does that look? The metro's coming in again.
Look at that.
Now we're gonna do 1, okay? Can you do it? One.
Hello.
The Spider-Man, right? Whoever sees Spider-Man first, let me know.
I see Spider-Man first.
Uh-huh. No. No. Bus, baby. Yeah. You ever play arcades? There's a Dave and Buster right here though. Right guys are gonna do they do the Santa Claus. Yeah.
know it. Double O kick the shit we told us. Switch out the bed, you need to get rolled up.
No, baby. Come back. They're doing the Christmas thing and all that.
Christmas theme.
Those are not blue cats. I don't know what they're called.
They're not.
Those are
Stand right there if I take your picture.
not blue cats.
Turn around. What are they having here?
It's going to be a movie premiere on Monday.
Oh, okay. Want the hamburgers or hot dogs?
Hamburgers. Hamburgers are more better than hot dogs.
So on Monday, the Avatar movie, it's the movie premiere.
There's Michael Jackson in this place.
There is.
I love cheeseburgers.
Get you a cheeseburger pin, baby.
Wait, how do you take that? I never seen. I'll take the classic. I'll take the classic with no lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles.
All right, it looks like we're here already. Where are we at?
So do I. I'll take the.
Hard
I'll
Rocks.
take the.
All right.
Actually, I'll take the.
Mommy, can I take this one with no pickles, no lettuce, and no tomatoes?
Oh yeah, we'll get the classic burger, but just the meat and the cheese. Plain. We'll get it plain.
Yeah.
And then,
Oh my god.
and then the fries are like, I don't know, the fries are like, I don't know. The fries are different.
Two kind of
Oh
fries.
my god.
They're like this right here. Like right here.
Let me see.
Oh my god. It's like a barbecue.
So you want this one plain with fries?
So do I too. I agree with my brother. I'll take it too.
And can I also get a grilled chicken sandwich?
It's the hamburger is big.
You know, you guys can take it home and eat it later. Cut it in half.
Yeah, we'll take that. I did a place like this, like, yeah, we'll take that.
Yo quiero este. Dame tu plato, amigo. I'll take this one. I'll give you this one.
Thanks.
So Christmas parade is gonna be there, everybody. Santa Claus is gonna be here. Baby! Run me! But you guys could take a picture.
Let's go then. Let's go then.
Ready? Can you do it?
Yes.
One. Put your one foot in, put your one foot out.
Then let's go home.
You did it. Ready, set, one. Well, they're coming back as independent kids now. So proud of them. So proud of them. One. Yes. It's gonna in less than 5 minutes. No, 3 minutes. Look,
It's como una de esas.
yeah, it's gonna come right now,
It's gonna go under, or on top.
right here,
Right here.
and now. What time is it?
Let me check.
4 minutes.
4 minutes?
It's gonna spark right here. Look.
Oh, I hear the engine noise.
Right now, for you guys to see it, it's gonna come right now. It's at 4 minutes right there.
4 minutes in a row. Yeah, good. Hopefully, I hope it's an Amtrak or a Metrolink train. But we'll see it after the end of the train. So we'll check it out. We'll check it out.
Doesn't say that. It's right there, the time. It's coming already. I hear it. See, you hear it? Not that one. Acá. For $10, you could go all day long everywhere. We could have just paid $250 that way, $250 this way. But
Daniel, I think the train's coming. Metro. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm done 16 at a time.
Okay, here comes the Metrolink train. And we have another Metro coming this way. Damn. We have another Metro right there. Now we have 2 trains now
Oh,
coming.
it's that one first over there. Is ours? Ours? Yes, ours.
I see a Metrolink
It's
train.
it's ours.
Coming. He's coming, bro.
It's not ours. It's this one. But this is the closest one
I
you're gonna
see the
get.
bell ringing. Oh, we'll see the train. Whoa, that's a Charger one. Holy cow. We got another train coming.
Next week they're gonna have the miniatures. You can get on them and drive them and all. I know all the conductors still. Right in front of my dad's house.
Menu, here it comes.
Mira, Saúl, para que lo mires.
Alright, here it comes.
Para que no te lo cuente.
Alright, all aboard.
Ponte aquí. Mira.
It's coming towards. Oh, it's getting closer, 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 closer. There it goes. Now we have a good and there's the fast train slowing down. Told you guys! Metrolink train come here, dude. Wow. Come on, man. I like Metrolink, dude. Wow, dude.